We're going to do this blindfold. When you finish, who finish first is going to drink malt. Okay? So we'll put malt aside.
Okay.
Shall we?
Yes.
No wayo.
No.
No wayo. No better. Don't cover, you just take your.
I forgot that you put it on the.
1, 2,
Go.
It's sweet, eh?
Mm.
The sweet is very sweet.
Yes.
There's no pepper on it.
No.
What? In my hand. This thing will come up my eyelashes today. If my eye, don't go and press my eyelash. This is more freaking. Think I'm not. What? This girl, what are you doing? You did not cover your eye. You are putting rice in my rice.
How do you know?
I'm feeling it. I feel it with my spoon. No worry, huh? What?
Nothing.
Oh. Simon. Simon. What did you put in my food? Simon. Not for mama, for you. It's because of this much. You will not drink this much. It's me that will drink. See my rice. How the rice is plenty like this?
I was putting it.
You, eh? You want more now?
Thank you. I finished first. You see?
This guy is doing why this use this small mokoro. You see, the next one we are going to do. I will not do this thing with you again. I'll do with good news.
It's good.
Did you bring the pepper? Use the pepper. Come back here. Sit down. When did you stand up here?
I stand up when you was eating.
When you were.